Alright guys, this is how I made $77 today day trading the S&P 500 futures index. Quick breakdown. First of all, we had this 4-hour fair value gap in which I wanted to see what we wanted to do with, and I wanted to see a model present inside of that, and I built two scenarios for today. So I saw two 1-hour fair value gaps below, further down, and then I had one above. Same here, 1 hour fair value gap above, and we had two below. Now what happened? We came into the day before even opening. We came down here. We filled the fair value gaps. That made me pretty bearish. We then sweep this 5-minute low on NQ, which we do not do in ES. We then displace. We then get an equilibrium retrace, but on ES we were trading. We had to inverse this fair value gap before I wanted to see anything. Okay, we go ahead. Yeah, ligger nu. So, we then retrace. We had a big retrace. I did not enter on that because we had to see an inverse fair value gap by NQ. We displace further up. We come down and we fill this 5-minute fair value gap on ES. I want to see what happened after that. And what do? We get a market strength shift to the upside. We hit my break-even target, moves up into break-even. We get a slight retrace, and we come up and take out TB1, where I closed 25% of my position. After that, I got stopped out of break-even. Now, this setup, what do I think of it? How did I feel? I think the setup in itself was not that bad. My emotions was a bit off because I've been very, very, very unconfident. Is it called unconfident? Unconfident. Yeah, I was unconfident. I was really, really uncomfortable also trading because I had a hard time reading my bias. But you know, I have some ChatGPT guides, and just to refresh it all, which went pretty good or pretty well. We reached this into this 50-minute fair value gap as well, which gave me even more bullish confluences. Now, what I've chosen to do is up the risk because I've been trading for like 4 or 5 months. I've been trading around $0 to $1,500 profit, and nothing's happened. And I've been risking between $250 and $450. So I've upped the risk. Today I risked $650. So the RR on today was really bad. It was a break-even day. But I have one free reset every month. So what I'm going to do in the future is I will risk between $500 and $700 approximately, between $500 and $750, between 1 and 1.5%. I'm just going to trade like that. Close the trade before it hits my consistency rule, and that's it. But really, tools comable. We had no daily profiles today, other than we had a little bit of choppiness on the London session, and then in New York we then sweep all of that, so that also gave me even more bullish confirmation. So break even on the day, pretty alright setup, pretty alright trade. That's gonna be everything for this trade recap, guys. I'm gonna print out content now. I've got a different content strategy. We gotta go viral, man. I gotta get big, go big or go home, So setting that up. In the future, up the risk so we can either pass or blow the evaluation so I can get on, because this is pretty rough for me emotionally. Yeah, I'm not gonna over risk either. I'm gonna stay at like 1 to 1.5%. That's it. Social media is going to be linked down below, and Discord server will be linked down below. You guys can join if you guys want to do that. Yeah. For God so loved the world that he gives one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. Bible quote of the day. I just came up with that. No idea why. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.